Good morning, and good morning. Hope everyone's well. We're just having a wander down here. You can see there's something happening down there. Let's take a look. So during the night it's been absolutely torrential, seriously torrential. Is that the fun run? I think it is, isn't it? Had it last year as well. There was a race for life the other night. We'll pop down that way anyway. Have a look what's going on. So yeah, during the night, absolutely. We did the video yesterday, didn't we? You know, when it started absolutely silent it down. It really was bad last night. But after we finished that video, it went pretty quiet. There was still rumbles of thunder and what have you. But then later on, I think it was about 11:30, I was nodding off. You know what it's like on the couch, just watching something on the telly for the sake of the telly being on, as my mum used to say. You just got that on for the sake of it being on when we were kids. But yeah, and then all of a sudden, I'm like, what the hell's that? And it was literally rain. It was like hail though, like hailstone. Really came down during the night. So yeah, we'll just have a wander here, see what's happening. The sun's gorgeous at the moment, but there's always a but, isn't there? Later on, sorry, am I going a bit fast there, panning round? Yeah, later on, it's saying about 4 or 5 o'clock, it's meant to be thunder and lightning again. We'll see, but it's gorgeous this morning. Absolutely smashing. We'll take a look what's happening down here anyway. That wind's not so bad today neither. After last night, you just the difference a few hours makes. So yeah, we'll see what happens later. We could have the thunder again and what have you. So it's saying, the trusty old weather forecast, here we go. One of the runners starting off. Not quite sure what it's for, to be honest. The dog's not happy. Woofing. Oh. Yeah, so it's going to be a 5k or something like that, I presume, innit? Presume. I tell you, it's so warm this morning, you can't believe the difference. So yeah, after all that torrential rain, I'll try and get a bit closer. Look how still the sea is now as well. That's the stillest, is that a word? It's the most still. I've seen it for ages. I've got to give you a laugh. I've just been walking, when I was walking down to the prom, everyone is hungover. I think I'm the only one that's not hungover. I know that makes a change, but you know, see that boat there? Little speedboat. As soon as we get that back to normal. There we go. I'd love that. It is a rib as well. But look at that. It's not the... No, I don't think so. It's not the RNLI, one of the small RNLI ones. They've got 2 small ones and the bigger one, haven't they? Let's just go a bit closer, see what's happening here. It's about 9:30, by the way, Sunday morning, roughly-ish. It will take a few minutes. I tell you, I've put my little jacket on. You really don't need it right now, but this is Blackpool. You may well do later. It is, we did this last year, is that a year ago? The Found Coast Runners and that. I can't believe that's a year. Someone just had a fall then. Yeah, we did this last year, if you remember. Yeah, walking down at prom, you see some sights, honestly. And you think, don't tell me I'm sometimes like that on a Sunday morning. I don't know. Right, I'm moving away from this. The music's on there. Let's walk back towards. And we'll just have a wander back this way. Tram? How busy is the tram? Not that busy. This time in the morning, they're coming the other way, aren't they, into town? Oh, they're going along the bottom walk there, if that's just coming out. They're doing like a circular, won't they? I presume. That's very energetic, isn't it? Too energetic for biking on a Sunday morning, that. Yeah, let me know how it was where you was last night, will you? Did you have the same? Honestly, it was about 11:30 here last night. It was absolutely torrential. It was like hailstone. It really was. Let me know. Oh yeah, please, I'll have one of them. Jet ski. Said that before, haven't I? When we've been going by the Coast Guard and we've had them couple of jet skis out that they've got. You see the traffic starting to build up now. Car parks are quite busy at the park house and that. But then again, it should be this time of year as well. I'm not going down there again. Been down there a couple of times, haven't we, last couple of 3 days. Every credit. Let me know, could you do this on a Sunday morning? That sun's gorgeous, I feel it on my back. Obviously it's rises in the east, sets in the west. Every credit, guys. Yeah, so much more energetic than myself on a Sunday morning. Then again, to be fair, Biker's young days, he's done a couple of half marathons and that. The Preston and the Mansfield. So, you know. Yeah, when you get in your 30s though, like Biker. Yeah, right. Tell us another one. Jack and Ori, Jack and Ori. Credit to him though. Like I say, it's only about 9:30. I'll upload this one ASAP, so it's nearly live, innit? Yeah, that was a couple of questions. Are you going to do more lives back? Yeah, but you need the proper equipment for it, to be honest. I mean, especially a gimbal, because when I look back at that live we did the other day, it was just all over the place, the picture, because it didn't have a chance for the phone to render and this, that and the other, you know, and stabilise when you're live. Definitely need a gimbal. I'm not so bothered about the mic situation. You know, I said the other day, want a Rode mic. That doesn't bother me that much. So I do have mics, as we know, but in severe wind, they're just, might as well have a chocolate fire guard. You know what I mean? So, yeah, but definitely for the stabilisation, DJI 3-axis gimbal, that's the way to go for doing live. People are walking already, look. That'd be me, I'd be on my hands and knees by now, just going around the block. Do you know what we used to do to train for the half marathons? We used to go around the park, as in Stanley Park, 5 times, because Stanley Park was just over 2 mile round, if I remember correctly. So, you know, if you do it 5 times, you're about 11 mile then, you know, 12, something along that. And then you wouldn't do anything for 2 or 3 days before the actual half marathon. Used to always run around Stanley Park. It's probably why my knees are wrecked now. All that pounding the pavements. The plane. Yeah, you look at the sky now. Look how blue it is over yonder to the west, and how still the sea is. I might bob out later and see what it's like later. We'll see. I've had a few videos on this weekend, so I don't want overkill. Look how busy that is coming into town, or going towards the tower, if you will, centre. So much busier, innit? Look, there's people taking the t-shirts off here. It's that warm. So yeah, what a gorgeous morning after that torrential rain last night. I don't know whether it's that warm yet, but you know, every credit. Anyway, we'll leave it here. Oh God, we're on nearly 14 minutes. We'll leave it here. Let me know then now how it was last night where you were. I think some got away with it and others got absolutely battered with the rain. Yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe and share and all that. It's good to share. Most of all, stay safe. You know what it is. Have a cracking day.